للعباس جت زينب.
On this day, Ashura, they burnt the Imam Hussein's family's tents down, and we can't burn our houses down. So instead, to feel what they have been through, we go on something called the Jamarat. It's basically coal, and they put fire on top of it, and they run, and they say, Ya Hussein. I experienced that Imam Hussein's family were they tortured them they tortured them so much that they killed all their families, and they done everything to them. Every single year.